This is Kojo here with Keller Williams and Coastal International team. The reason I'm doing this video is that our industry is getting more and more unsafe for agents to do their job. And I'm here to perform an open house, and I want to remind us some few tips that could potentially save our life. Especially when you do an open house in a vacant property, there's few tips that you need to keep in mind in order to remain safe on the job. Let's review a few of them. So, number one, make sure you get here a little bit early before you start the open house. And if we're here, here's the parking strategy. So park your car on the street to prevent somebody from blocking you when you decide to exit very quickly. If you cannot park on the street and you have to park on the driveway, position your car facing the street and ready to go. Check closet, bathrooms, bedrooms. Check the attics. See if everything's safe and clear. You need to check the pantry, the laundry room, the garage. Make sure the garage door is opening. And if you can, keep the garage door open while you're doing your open house. Make sure you unlock the back door so you can exit quickly if you have to. Visitors who want to go upstairs and look at the property, don't stay in front of them, but rather stay behind them to be safe. So at any time during your open house or while you're working with a client, be aware of your surrounding. If there's more than one person coming to visit your open house, keep your eyes on both of them. And at any given time, don't find yourself between both of them because you will lose the strength to fight if they decide to attack you together. You can also take a self-defense classes to make sure you have a basic self-defense techniques to defend yourself in case you are attacked. Also, when you're out in the field, if you can, carry with you at all time a taser so you can use it if necessary. Keep other agent or at least one agent in your office know where you are at all time, and they can time how long you have to get back with them and let them know that you're safe if you're meeting with a client or doing open house. So those are a few safety tips that are important to keep in mind when you're out working with the client or you by yourself or doing open house, so every contact with the general public won't end up being fatal for you and losing your life and potentially keeping your family sad. There's no commission that is worth your time and your life, so keep it safe.